YouTube, what's going on, man? So it's your boy Quan checking out another video, man. Today we're down Hope Street, some shit like that. I think it's down Hope Street. I think it's called Hope Street. But today we with the SRT Charger, man. Today we about to get some work done to it. We about to get the mid mufflers delete and probably the rest of the delete. So with that being said, man, I just figured I had to record something a little small. You can see in the background, do something a little small, just so y'all see the before and after. I mean, I'm pretty sure from the POVs y'all see that y'all already know how I look, how I sound. So today I just figured, like, man, I got a little extra time on my hands. Shit, let me go get the mid mufflers deleted, go get the resonators deleted so it can sound good. So that's what we're gonna do. I would start it up, but I ain't gonna draw right now because I ain't waiting in line to get mine done. It's not that loud though, you ask me. Like, as soon as you crank it up, it'd be so quiet after like 10 seconds of it running. So with that being said, man, we're here to make it a little louder today. It says $70 for the whole work. So hopefully we can get a pricing on how much it'll be for the mid mufflers and the resonators, get them both off, and then, you know, see from there. So just cut this to phone I'm recording off of. I don't want my phone around storage or anything like that. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when the work is all done. So we back in the car, man. We just got the car mid muffler deleted. So I don't know if y'all really can hear the difference, but I feel like I'm shouting to talk to y'all now. But I'm about to start making that thing clap like Soulja Boy.
Draco. Soldier.
Clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. Yeah.
Draco. Soldier. She make it
clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. Yeah.
She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it.
Yeah, man. But it sounds totally different. Like if I roll the window down and just put it in neutral and rev up real quick, it definitely sound different. I mean, I wouldn't rev up right now because the light turned green. So you're gonna hear when I turn off, but it definitely do sound different. I mean, I didn't realize how much work this car really had already got done. Like, I thought when I got it, everything was stock, but it wasn't. The mid muffler was already, I mean, the mid muffler was the only thing left. The resonator got deleted already, and it was damn near almost straight pipe. So, I mean, me just cutting the mid mufflers off just made it better, but he was like, you know, cutting the extra mufflers off, he was like, it's gonna get real loud, but in the beginning, you're gonna like it, but as time go on, you ain't gonna like it because how extremely loud it is. And I'm like, you know what? I don't want to sound like a Grand Marquis or a Crown Vic or some shit like that, you feel me? So we're gonna keep it out. We're gonna rock out like this. But I don't know if y'all really can hear it. But on the highway, y'all get to hear it, man. On the street, it's kind of traffic right now. But I mean, as you can hear it, y'all can hear it. If you hear it, you hear it. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm gonna give y'all some couple POVs and I'm on the highway. You feel me? Like a little couple pulls on the highway. Right now, I'm in the inner city of Philly, so I really can't do much unless I want to run away from some cops today, but I don't feel like it today. Any other, maybe at night. You know, at night, I'm a different person, but during the day, I'm a civilian. But, yeah, man, I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get to the highway. I'm gonna let y'all hear on the highway. Start for y'all. We gotta get the cold start for you. I don't think it's gonna cold start. No, it's not gonna cold start. So that's fine. That is fine. It's not gonna cold start. And that's okay, that's fine. They sound the same. You got the TRACKHAWK. Damn. That's not a track, that's SRT. This shit is loud. That's just all it is. But I don't like that. Like, I don't know how to explain. Alright, so before my phone run out of storage and space, I would try to catch a couple pulls. I'm going to try to... This shit just louder. Like, it ain't really no big of a deal. You swear to God! Say you swear to God! This shit sound like a Marquis. Fuck the Crown Vic. I'm just more worried about my gauges, bro. Like, I don't know why the city looks so beautiful on camera, but it's too many fucking killers if you live here. Bruh. Don't I go on 95, 43, 34? Alright. This shit still shift harder. I don't know why. Y'all know my but this shit take too much money to fill up. I spent $70 this week on gas alone. It only been 3 days. Only been 3 days and I'm back down where I was. But I ain't gonna lie though, the first day I put $70 in here, I went on the highway with dew bugs. So like that was kind of my fault. That was irresponsible of me. If I'd have known that, I would never put 93 in here. I put 91 in here. Like today I'm putting 91 in here. Fuck that. People be like, oh, why you put 91 in here? Shit, I don't got it like that. Some days this bitch get 93, some days it get 91. It just depends how I feel. I ain't got it like that. Money don't grow on trees. Wait, nobody gotta get on one of these exits. It's Plymouth Boulevard, right? Alright, so back at the crib, man, and today we did a little small modification, man. We took the mid mufflers off. So I'm gonna drop a video, I'm gonna drop a clip of the cold start in the beginning, like when I first got the car versus now. I can't really say, I mean, it like, for real, it changed, but it didn't change dramatically. Like, it sounds a lot more, like, healthier, they say. But I did find out something was a little wrong with the car. Nothing too crazy. I feel like maybe because I didn't get the oil change yet. So, I need to go get the oil change, like, done immediately next week. I'm going to change my oil myself. I'm going to get the Mopar oil, and I'm going to change the oil myself. But I'm going to just stay in here, and I'm going to do a cold start on it. I'm going to let y'all hear it. So, that's how I sound with the cold start. You feel me? It just growl a little bit more. Like, that's what I basically could say. Like, and that wasn't a cold start. That was like it's still warm because I just got in the crib like probably 5 minutes ago. But that's just a small little amount that we did to the car, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's a quick little video, just something to throw out there. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if y'all want to see a POV with it. I got like 3 videos that's gonna be dropping. I'm triple level on today, man. I'm gonna drop this little quick video of before and then the after, and then yeah, man. Like, maybe let me know what y'all want to see next on the channel. I've been modding this car pretty fast. So far, we did the interior. We did the LED lights, pedal commander. We did the pedal shifters. Next is I'm gonna do the stars on the roof. I did tint. After that, we're gonna do the headlights, a catch can. I'm doing the Brimbos over. I'm taking the red Brimbos off. I'm gonna do them over a different color. Keep the rotors. Do my brakes. Get some new rims. After that, the car, and I'm doing a front lip, and then I'm doing a wicked fill. After that, the car's pretty much done and all over, done with. So I'm pretty excited because like this is my first time actually putting my best foot forward and actually going forward what I said I was gonna do. Let me know what y'all want to see next on the channel, man. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. Stay posted, stay tuned, stay locked in with some more videos. Yeah, it's your boy Quan. We're checking out.
Okay, bye.